To become a print-on-demand king in 2024, follow these 20 steps as a comprehensive guide for beginners. Research and identify your niche. Determine your area of interest or expertise that has a market demand for POD products. Analyze competitors. Study successful POD businesses in your niche to understand their strategies, strengths, and weaknesses. Choose a platform. Select a reliable pod platform like Printful, Spod, or Guten to manage your product fulfillment and orders. Create a unique brand. Develop a memorable and professional brand identity, including a name, logo, and tagline. Build a website. Create a user-friendly website to showcase your products and provide a seamless shopping experience. Optimize for search engines. Ensure your website is search engine optimized to increase visibility and attract organic traffic. Create high-quality product designs. Invest time and effort in designing unique, eye-catching, and appealing products for your target audience. Test and refine your designs. Continuously improve your designs based on customer feedback and market trends. Set competitive pricing. Price your products reasonably to attract customers while ensuring profitability. Utilize social media. Leverage various social media platforms to promote your brand, engage with potential customers, and share your product designs. Collaborate with influencers. Partner with influencers in your niche to expand your reach and gain credibility. Offer promotions and discounts. Attract new customers by offering limited-time promotions and discounts. Provide excellent customer service. Ensure timely responses to customer inquiries, address concerns, and resolve issues promptly. Gather customer feedback. Actively seek and implement customer feedback to improve your products and services. Expand your product line. Continuously add new, unique designs and products to keep your customers engaged and interested. Monitor industry trends. Stay updated on the latest pod industry trends and adapt your strategies accordingly. Implement email marketing. Build an email list and send regular newsletters to keep your customers informed about new products, promotions, and updates. Analyze sales data. Regularly review your sales data to identify top-performing products and areas for improvement. Attend trade shows and events. Network with other pod professionals. Learn from experts, and showcase your products at relevant industry events. Be patient and persistent. Building a successful POD business takes time and effort. Stay committed to your goals and continuously work on improving your strategies. By following these steps, you can establish yourself as a print-on-demand king in the industry by 2024.